Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with stockmarketmentor.com and your chart of the day. Really quick one here from Owens Corning. This is ticker OC. Now, OC is in a really strong uptrend. They have multiple quarters of positive earnings and are really close to a pretty clear pivot here. And I want to know if Owens Corning can break through that glass ceiling right around 160.30 and potentially get to, if I zoom out here, a new all-time high. And so I definitely think it makes sense to set an alert on OC right around 160.30 and look for a strong move into blue sky territory. It is a bit extended above that 8-day exponential period moving average, but if we see further upside in the market, I definitely watch for this to have a blue sky breakout and break through that level right there. So really quick one here from OC. This is just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at stockmarketmentor.com. If you want the complete list, take a 14-day trial. I think it's only a couple of bucks. Click the link, stockmarketmentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.